Peki bir şey diyeceğim. Ben şimdi sana birkaç gün önce dedim ki sen dedin gel basket atalım. Sen dedin yok atamayız. Niye dedin?
It all depends on the ground. Like
Karanlıkta ne vardı ki?
there was water on it. Like it was wet. You seriously
Ama
cannot play
neden
basketball on
suydu
wet
yerler
floors.
yani?
Huh?
Neden suydu? Yağmur yağmadı.
It was snowing. Yeah, exactly. That was unexpected, and that was a harsh snowstorm. It was actually harsh snowstorms. Like it was waves of snowstorms actually. So,
Bütün
it started like last Sunday. Like
Mhm.
last Sunday, 14th of February, and that was Valentine's Day, and it did not stop. Like for 2 days, almost 2 days.
Peki sen daha önce böyle bir şey gördün mü yani Texas'ta?
Well, no, and then all Texans did not see either. You know, it's kind of a climatic issue. Happened like at least 20 years before. That was the last time.
Texas'ta neden ölü var, elektrikler gitti, çöktü sistem, kahve bulamadık.
Right, exactly.
Neden yani?
We were not able to find coffees. Okay, like the accidents actually were specifically caused by the like instant freezing, like sudden freezing.
Hı hı.
In Turkish they call it gizli buzlanma.
Tamam.
So that's when like a highway or any road like freezes.
Highway ne demek?
Highway, it's like in Turkish that's otoban.
Ha, otoban, tamam.
Otoban.
Tamam.
Otobanda gizli buzlanma oldu mesela. But yeah, so like the sudden freezing on the highways
Hemen
caused like
tuzlamışlardır abi.
no, like in
2021
Texas,
Amerikası yani.
Texas is never prepared for against these kind of.
Şehrin tecrübesi yok diyorsun.
Yeah, they don't have plowing trucks. Like when it snows all day, it stays there, wherever it is. Like the northern states, they're actually like so much prepared and like expecting these kind of snowstorms. Where Texas like doesn't even like have the possibility in their minds.
Peki
So they don't have. They
şöyle
don't
bir
have.
senaryo mümkün mü? Austin'ın altyapı sorunları var gibi bir şey olabilir.
Şey-
Bir altyapısal bir sorun olabilir mi?
I do not.
Diyorsun ki ne kanal neden ne kapağı bir şey kapağı derler.
The sewer holes, or you wouldn't say sewer hatches.
Mhm.
You would say either sewers or the holes.
Tamam. Peki
Or
senin
the
geçen
sewers.
hafta yaşanılan bu süreçte dünya medyasına konu olan bu süreçte mesela aklına ilk gelen kendi adına yaşadığın durum neydi? Ya ilk aklı şu an canlanan, şu an
Okay, it was the accident.
hangi kaza?
The accident happened in like in Fort Worth.
Hı hı.
Like the first news came, it was like 120 cars,
Hı hı.
like 2 trucks,
Evet.
like the 18-wheelers, 2 18-wheelers, and like a lot of pickup trucks and a lot of
Yani
cars.
18
They said 120 cars, but like gradually they just decreased it like down to 60 or 55 or something. So it was like a big car crash.
Hı hı.
It was an accident. So that's like the first thing I recall about the last 2 weeks.
Peki o sırada sen Dallas'ta mı?
No, on that day actually we arrived in Austin.
Aynı gün.
I guess yeah.
Şanslı mısın?
Because I remember like talking with my brother. He was stuck in Junction.
Hı hı. Evet. Hatırladım.
Yeah, he was stuck in Junction.
Hatırladın.
Junction City.
Biz kaç dakika bekledik o gün ya oradan?
Yeah, like at
Bir
least
saat
like
olmadı değil mi?
45 minutes to an hour.
5 dakika bekledik mi?
Yeah,
Oh.
at least like an hour. Maybe we did wait for an hour.
Oradan da videomuzu çekmişti hatırlıyor musun?
Yeah, and I have them. I mean, I still have them.
Ben size bir şey sorabilir miyim? Çok merak ettim.
Okay, go ahead.
O gün sen Uber'e bindin gittin ya.
Alright, the day that we had the tire flap.
Aynen. O gün
Okay.
çağırdık. Adam seni o gün de biz 3'te falan mı girdik? Neyse. Sen beni bıraktın gittin ya.
Yeah.
ilk 3 dakikanı anlatsana mı hızlıca?
First 3 minutes. So alright. Okay, yeah, that's like a missing part.
Adamla ne konuştuk?
Like he was,
Meraklı
he was like an African American. So he came with this like Chrysler 300. And then so like as I actually approached to the car, like the door wouldn't open.
Oh.
So I just tried the front seats door.
Huh?
The front seats door, and then like he said, no, just go back.
Tabii
Anyways.
kanka. Bu
Yeah,
şeyde-
no. I was like being Turkish.
Adam da daha önce böyle bir şey yapmış mı? Highway'in ortasında birini pick up etmiş mi?
No.
Yani daha farklı bir enerji bekliyordum ülkede.
Okay, let me think about that.